worry guys, only a few more months before these parties start again. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. Was Shabba throwing word at Bounty, or was he just referring to artists with the word general in their name? Either way, Bounty responded and said no matter what, he will always respect Shabba. One sea view. 38. That's the number of children Elephant Man says he has. And he wants more. He started when he was 17. Okay, Ellie. Pepsi has a new ambassador. Stark Ashley is the face of their brand new campaign. Congrats, Starky. What's going on with Ricky Rose and Drake? They have been going at it since Drake dropped his diss track, Never a Dull Moment. And finally holding the spot this week, Ashanti and Nelly are engaged and they're gonna have a baby. That is so perfect. Congrats to them. But that's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Remember to follow us on IG at TVJ Intense. Up next, DJ Ranger lights up the clubs in Dubai. Intense soon forward.